The council have been very proactive, and it's good to see that they're looking to hear from businesses and the general public.
It's good that they get first-hand information and then the opportunity to express their wishes and their desires and what's important to them.
It's nice that they are actually taking an interest in seeing what the public actually want and where the spending should go, with the cuts that we know everyone's talking about.
I think it's important that they do get input from all Trafford residents who are willing to take part.
I would probably go along and unfortunately privatise some of the maintenance in the parks and public areas.
Sometimes we've probably got to spend money for long-term gain, even if it costs money in the short run.
It's very, very hard, but if they've got to make, which we know they have got to make cuts, I think it should be done fairly along.
We'll only know in 12 months if they've done some improvements. And there's a lot of things they can do from the top and work down.
Things like getting outside consultants in is wrong when you've got your own skilled staff.
We're actually respite carers for children with learning disabilities, and we know that the council spend an awful lot of money on residential homes. Why not employ more people like us? And that was one way that they can actually cut the budget quite substantially, because a lot of money is paid to care homes.
Well, I'd heard that there had to be funding cuts in Altrincham, but across the whole of Trafford. I thought it was absolutely essential that business contribute to that. I think we have an influence to say how savings can be made anywhere else that might benefit business. And if you benefit business, you then benefit employment, education and training within the Trafford area.
We talked about some efficiency savings as far as bringing groups together like we have done today, really, rather than buying in researchers and consultants, actually looking at what we've already got within Trafford.
One of the things I look for from the council, and this is a good way to meet people in the council and put forward suggestions, is to encourage the council to create competition amongst private providers of social care. That way they generate low costs and better services. What is missing is maybe the private sector, the public sector and the voluntary sector all working together.
The money is going to landfill tax because the Trafford Council don't provide business recycling facilities. So we feel that we could save quite a bit of money there. And some of us have said we have got a lot of skills because we run our own businesses, and we'd be prepared to, work together a bit more with the council and give up a bit of time to see if we can, help things along a bit too.
So we're looking for things which are going to be favourable for business as well as just the sort of things which obviously concern people, any reduction of the services which people receive personally. Perhaps a straightforward percentage reduction over the whole of each department and seeing how far that gets you.
We have a massive problem, and if we try and oversimplify it, then it's just going to create more problems. So it is complex, and we're all involved, and we've all got to get involved in some way. If not, we'll fall by the wayside.